Have you ever wanted to make money online or wanted to do online selling? Did you know that e-commerce grew more during the COVID-19 pandemic than in the past 10 years? In a recent study, consumers in 9 out of 13 major countries surveyed said they had tried new kinds of shopping. Most of them intend to continue doing so. Responding to this, brands are exploring new realms in D2C, direct-to-customer. Although 60% of these companies report feeling that they are barely ready to capture e-commerce growth opportunities. That means there is a short time for someone to fill that gap. The current path to success is building your brand through the use of keywords for search engine optimization. Do you know what search engine optimization, SEO, is? SEO is the art and science of placing tags and keywords on your website in its simplest form. The effective use of SEO will improve the quality and quantity of website traffic to a particular website. How much would you spend in SEO to have 1 million unique ideal customer profiles visit a website? Based on extensive research at Ahrefs, the average agency SEO plan costs $2,819 per month. The low-end average is around $500 per month, and the high-end standard is between $25,000 and $50,000 per month. So, to reach 1 million ideal customers is not going to be inexpensive, nor done in a short period. If you have a large number in your head, you are correct. What if there was a way to spend a fraction of the money on SEO? What if you were able to get the same or better results through a new kind of marketplace? Are you an entrepreneur, have a small business, or have you always aspired to? You may be like many others and have a great product or service that you believe in, but you have a challenge in your online marketing efforts. We offer you a chance to stop wasting valuable time and money strategizing on how to increase your online sales. At CrowdPoint, our passion is to take what has always been available to large corporations with large marketing budgets and bring these capabilities to Main Street. We believe the power of a global economy is best realized when commerce is put back in the hands of the many, rather than the tyranny of the few. It promotes better customer service and a better economy. The blockchain's decentralized capabilities build better efficiencies than those of enterprise and big box brands. On the blockchain, we differ from big technology companies by putting the human identity first, not last. As the entrepreneur or small business, the blockchain-powered exchange gives you the ability to drive continuous, ideal customers to your product or service. As technology continues advancing at a rapid pace, it's more important now than ever to align yourself and your business with a platform that will always remain on the cutting edge of technology. We are experts in big data analytics, artificial intelligence, compaction technology, and blockchain, so you don't have to be. We are excited to share with you all that our platform has to offer and how you can participate in the next generation of e-commerce.